Then let me walk you through the process on how to vote.
First thing first, you need to be registered to vote. If you haven't registered yet, you can do so online through the National Voter Service Portal or the 𝗕cy app. Once registered, go to the electoralsearch.eci.gov.in, enter your EPIC number, mobile number and CAPTCHA. Then tap search. This will allow you to check your name in the electoral list and find your polling station. Get your voter slip. Now, on the election day, head to the polling booth assigned to you. Make sure to bring your voter slip or any of the 12 alternative IDs. Now, it's time to cast your vote. Mark your calendar and make sure to voice your choice in the upcoming elections. To learn more, visit 𝗙ici's official website and don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms.